cleaning your harmonicas in under 5 minutes. Tools that you will need will include a flat bristled toothbrush. Soft bristles, has to be flat, has to be flat, has to be flat. You'll get a bristle stuck in your reed if you're not careful. Kaboom tub and tile cleaner. This is non-corrosive to the brass. I've been using it for probably 15 years thanks to a video I saw from Jason Ricci. 91% isopropyl alcohol to help clean off the soap. You'll want a couple cups for your water and your alcohol. So first things first, taking apart your harmonica, you do need a screwdriver for that. You hold your finger on the nut or the other screw, and then you take and you unscrew it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Something to put your screws in. A coffee cup. This fidget thing I like to use. Anything that can keep the screws somewhere where you can find them, because you'll have to find them. Notice that if the numbers are on top, the blow reeds are on top and they're recessed. The draw reeds are on the bottom. They're on the outside of the cover plate. Okay, it's important when you put it back together. So let's take a harmonica that needs a cleaning. We're going to place it on a piece of cardboard or something to catch the overspray. Give a little zip. Right? Doesn't take much. We're going to take our flat toothbrush and we're going to go flat, right? We're going to go gently over these reed plates. See what I'm saying? Don't go to angle. You could get a bristle stuck in there, and then you're going to have to use a toothpick to lift the reed to get it out. Okay? Now, this one's not too dirty, so I'm not spending a lot of time on it. And I'm trying to keep my video in a reasonable thing. Whoops, see I did that? Don't do that. Straight back and forth. Okay? Okay, we've got it scrubbed. We spent a few minutes. Some people do like to use Dawn dish soap. You know, there's other methods. Look on the internet. So we take our water, and I got about halfway full, but I got enough to cover half the harmonica. Give it a shake. Give it a clean. Make sure that water runs through the holes. Drip, drip, drip. Flip a flip. Give it a shake right? Get your soap out of there. This Kaboom does have an aftertaste for, I don't know, a few minutes of playing the harmonica. But that's that. So alcohol we use to clear the water out of it. And because the alcohol does evaporate much easier. So that just is a nice way to kind of clear it up for you. Give it a shake. I like to use my cardboard. Pretty straightforward. Now you do want to spend a little more time than I did, but I'm just showing you what to do, not how long to do it. You can be nice. If you clean your harmonicas a couple times a year, that's really great. I used to do it about 2 or 3 times a year. Okay, putting it back together. Remember that the reed plates, let's say real quick, if you wanted to take the reed plates off and clean the comb, I have one around here somewhere. Well, anyway, here's a comb. You want to unscrew the screws that are kind of holding the plates together, and then you can kind of clean and do what you need to on the insides of this. Important notes to think about are when you screw it down, you want to go inside to outside. So you want to screw here, then here, here, so that when you put the plate down, it goes flush and doesn't end up with like a bend in the middle, right? Makes sense, doesn't it? Another thing to keep in mind is if your reed plate has a groove in it, right here, like this one does, you can see that pretty good. You can just run a screwdriver, a little flathead through there, and just kind of get some of the gunk out of there. There's a little bit of gunk in there. Anything you use to scrape your harmonica needs to be brass or something that doesn't scratch the brass, because if you scratch the reeds, you'll untune it. Okay, so we've got our reed plates back on. We're putting our cover plates on now. So let's go to the one that's dry, and we're going to put our numbers. Our draw reeds are on the outside, so we're going to put the one without numbers on there, and then the one with the numbers on it on top. And we're going to take our screw, just slide it in there, and then here is the interesting part. You want to take and kind of perch that on your fingertip. That's how I do that, and I just line it up and hold it there. Now before I turn right, I go left to kind of make sure the there's the threads are good. And I turn right. Sometimes you'll put the nut on backwards like I just did. So we're going to try again, but flip it over, hypothetically. See, that's why it's important to have something other than your carpet to catch these parts. Getting a little excited over here. So, got my thing, lining it up. Looks good. I'm touching it. Left and then right. Nope, it's crooked. So back it back out, screw it in, and there we go. It's all together. So yeah, repeat as needed, and there you have it. Cleaning your harmonica in just a couple minutes. Have a great day.